update. Hey, my fellow creators, there is problem. So just in case you want to find out if your channel will be among those that YouTube will be demonetizing, or maybe just removing entirely from this space. In this video, I'm going to section it into 4 places so that you'll be able to understand what I'm saying. Okay. So the first section is what is changing, what is actually changing, what is actually the update. What is changing is that YouTube is updating its monetization policy to better identify authentic content. That's just it. So if maybe the content you have been putting out here are not authentic, they're not originally your own, just stay back. Let's find out if your channel can be saved or not. What does this mean? Contents that feel mass produced or auto generated. Listen on. And another one is contents that reuses the same format or clips over and over again. I'm coming. Then contents that lacks a real human voice, face, or message. That's what this thing means. So I'm going to break it down further. Now, what's in that message, in that update, what they are doing is that they are also removing the ad category called bare skin, which is image only on July 15th. Bare skin, I don't know if you know what bare skin is, I'll still explain. Which means it's going to affect the ad placement for channels that deal with sensitive visuals. All right, so let me explain that part before I move to the second section. Sensitive visuals, maybe you are putting out content, you're into health, you're a doctor, you are doing surgery, and you're showing it on camera, all those blood and all of that contents that are very sensitive, they're going to be removing this from ad section. That means ads will not be placed on your content again. So if you know your content falls under that category, you're into the medical field and you show those parts, you understand what I mean now? Bodies, dead bodies, and yeah, maybe when someone had an accident and all those big cords, it will show the skins, and not everyone that can stand the sight of blood and all of those things. So that one will soon be removed. So if your channel falls under this category, try and act fast. If you are going to maybe go and start re-editing all your videos, I don't know. Or if you make it private, please do. Or even if you leave it and they demonetize it, just try and start putting out content that are not that sensitive. Okay, you still monetize your channel. I'm not sure they'll be removing your maybe subscriber count or stuff like that. So you still have your subscribers, but should just be careful with the level of sensitive um images you put out there. This section 2 of this video is types of channels that will be affected. So let me give you real examples of this type of channels that will likely be hit hard. Listen on. Number one is faceless AI channels. Example, top 10 AI voiced videos. Now, channels that post daily videos like top 10 richest people, 5 things you didn't know about, celebrity, all narrated with AI voiceovers and stock footages or stock clips. All of them are AI. Nobody is saying don't do top 10 richest people. Nobody is saying don't do top 5, but shall put your own voice. Like YouTube now wants authenticity. YouTube now wants real humans, because I feel like a lot of faceless channels on this YouTube space are now bigger or much more compared to those that are sitting down to film themselves or maybe do vlogs, like showing their real self. A lot of persons are, what they call the YouTube automation. A lot of persons are now into YouTube automation, and it's just oversaturating, and people are putting out contents that are not reasonable. And sometimes you see videos like maybe somebody would now go and use AI and bring the face of a popular person and use that person's voice or clone the voice and be saying what the person didn't say. Do you get? So all these kind of channels will be removed. Like if you are doing it and you're watching me, and one of the reasons why YouTube is doing this is because these are now being flagged as low effort, repetitive, and inauthentic. And it may be demonetized or it may be denied the YPP, that's YouTube Partnership Program. And I know why most of us are here is because of the bag. If you are not here for the bag, shift one side. This video is not. Then the number two kind of channel that will be demonetized if you don't act fast, like if you don't act fast. News re-upload channels. News re-upload channels. Example, pages that copy trending news stories or viral clips and repost them with little to no commentary or editing. You see all these viral videos. That's why I don't really like it. But if you know how to do it very, very well, go ahead and do it very, very well. There's this lady, is it Neze Peperempe? I don't know if you guys know her. She does her commentary very well. Like she's very, very excellent in what she does. Like every day there is anything trending. She's a lawyer, she studied law, so she knows how to like break all these things down, narrate it so well that a layman can understand what's actually happening. You get. So these are the kind of things you should do. Don't just go and carry a viral video, a viral clip that is happening, and you just post, not say anything meaningful, nothing, nothing. YouTube is going to demonetize your channel. I'm sorry. Like, so YouTube is saying even if you change the thumbnail or the title, YouTube now considers this repetitive content. Those trending videos, please try and run away from it. Or even if maybe your channel is all on trending videos, do real time commentary. Like, use your sense, analyze very well, do your research, dig deep into the case and talk real talk. You even see that you even get more people that follow you, more people that trust your own news compared to others. Like Naza Peperempe, like those of you that know her, you understand the way she does her thing. Like you even know the history before the main video even resurfaced. Do you get? So that kind of a thing she does, YouTube can never take demonetize her channel because she does it very well. She gives her own commentary very, very well. The number three video is slideshow videos with text only. You see all these rainy sleep videos, they'll just be pouring rain. Raining sounds like rain doesn't have melodies or whatever. Like the way I'm speaking now, you know that okay, I said A or I said B, I said C. Rain, the sound, if you hear the sound of rain, will you not know? You will recognize that this is the sound of rain. If you hear a dog bark, you will recognize that oh, it's a dog that is barking. If you hear a goat, you know that this is a goat. Now, when you keep on using all this sound rain over and over, maybe all this sleep video channel, night sleep with rain sound kind of channels, YouTube, those are one of the channels that YouTube will be removing because the rain sound, I mean, is repetitive. How many times have you used it? If you go through some of these channels now, you see from the beginning of their video to the 100th video they've posted is rain sound. There is nothing unique, just that rain sound, and maybe they'll add some clips here and there. I'm sorry, but that channel will soon be removed. If YouTube doesn't remove it, thank your God. Another example of these slideshow videos with text could be Bible verses for healing, videos that are just stock videos with text and background music. If you are into faith channel, if you can do your own stock images by yourself, please start doing stock images by yourself. Okay, stop using all these stock images you are getting from Pixel Lab and all of that. Literally, almost everybody is using it. I mean, I don't know if you know this popular one. Maybe you're searching something on your laptop or with your phone. Like literally every YouTuber have tried using that same stock images. So by the time the YouTube algorithm sees, oh, I'm seeing this thing here, I'm seeing it here, I'm seeing it here, I'm seeing it here, it's repetitive. Are you getting what they mean now? It's repetitive. And now maybe in your own channel, you now go and pack all the stock video of your village people. You now go and pack everything. I beg. If you have a way of editing your videos now to remove some of those things, to remove part of it, try. If you cannot, maybe you can make some of those videos private. Yes, private, because YouTube don't used to monetize private videos, so you can make them private. That is one way to save yourself, or find a way to edit it again or like remove it entirely if they are much. I don't know, maybe you can just leave it and see what happens on this July 15th. All these TikTok repost channels. I'm a natural hair girl, and when I started doing my natural hair, I come on YouTube and search for, I used to see some I used to see this channel that used to repost videos from TikTok on natural hairstyles. Like Everything about that channel are videos they got from TikTok on how to style your natural hair. So you see that kind of content, any content that has another social media handle, what's it called, watermark, is going to be removed. It will be removed. It's just like Facebook. Facebook doesn't like seeing watermark of any other this thing in their videos. They will not even consider it for monetization. So the same thing here too. If YouTube sees TikTok watermark, Instagram watermark in the videos, maybe you go and take people's Instagram reels and you put them together, you compile them and use it as videos here. YouTube is not going to monetize you, rather they will demonetize you. You get. Listen, if your content is original and your content is authentic, you are good to go. So the following are examples of content that are safe. Example are talking head YouTubers, just like the way I'm doing now. I just come here and pour out my heart to you guys, pour out my experience, pour out the struggles, just sit down, teach what you know. All these kind of channels, why would they demonetize you? You are bringing value to the people that are watching you. So YouTube even needs you. Okay, YouTube really needs you to be on that space. So you are safe, relax, nothing is going to happen to your channel. If you use stock footage, as long as you are explaining something, giving insight, or reacting, you are safe. Now let's take for example educational video. Maybe the way I'm saying, okay, let's take for example, you want to talk about travel, all right, how to travel safely and all of that, and you use stock images from Pixel Lab or any other place you used to get your own, or iStock here. So maybe you add plane when the plane landed and when the plane took off and all of that. YouTube is not going to flag you, okay? Because you are telling a story, but you just use those stock images. But please don't use them like don't use much of it. Maybe just 5 seconds. You are done. 5 seconds, like highest 3 or 4 stock footage on your this thing is okay. Don't go and pack everything. Don't go and pack all your video. Please don't do that. Oh, so educational channels also could be maybe voiceovers. You know how to edit very well, you know how to edit videos, you know how to edit pictures, and you are showing it with your phone, how to you are screen recording. This is how I do this, this is how I do that, voicing over what you are doing, like teaching people through your voiceover. Those kind of channels will not be demonetized. So if your channel is a faceless channel, but you are using your real voice, you are teaching people actual truths, okay, you are teaching people something that is beneficial to them, your channel is safe. So relax, be calm, okay. Another channel that is safe is AI enhanced but human led content. What do I mean by that? Because I know maybe a lot of persons have come here to tell you that, oh, all these AI channels, all of you will be demonetized. No, that's not true. No, I mean, then what's the need of technology? What's the need of, the idea of coming up with AIs, building AI is helping a lot of us, okay? That's not the end of your video, or that's not the end of your channel because you are doing it with AI. No. What YouTube wants is authenticity. What YouTube wants is it wants it to feel real, at least to an extent. So if you are doing a video with AI, like everything you created on that video is with AI, at least let your voiceover be your real voice. Don't go and use the AI effect as the voice. Now everything now is looking like it's AI generated. There is this girl, I can't remember her name. Everything she does, like she teaches how to maybe do videos, create this cartoon with AI. But what makes her own unique is that she uses her own voice. Like it's just very unique. She uses her own voice. So if you feel like, oh, your voice is somehow because of your accent, see, accent is good right now. A lot of persons want to sound Nigerian. I don't know if you know. Some white guys want to sound like Nigerians. Okay, accent is gold. Okay, with your accent, we can know where you're coming from. So don't be shy of your originality. Me, sometimes I want to sound so American. Sometimes I want to sound so British, but the Igbo girl inside me is still. Do you understand? The Nigerian in me still shows at some point. So be real, okay? Even if you're going to use AI, use your own voice. Once you use your own voice and you're telling your own story, you're not copying other people's story. Because all this maybe something like all this AI folktale stories, you're not gonna copy another person's story. Don't do that. Like don't do that. Please do not do that. Tell your own story. That's why you have mind. If you don't know, if you don't have any inspiration, ask the Holy Spirit to give you inspiration. Yes, it's even in the Bible. It says that He will inspire us. That the breath of the Almighty giveth me understanding. Okay, giveth me inspiration. So YouTube is not banning AI channels, but is banning the lazy ones who are just using AI. Okay, so if you are using AI, you're not even using your own voice, you're not even putting out your own unique story, I think your channel will be affected. All right. So another channel that will not be affected are channels that tell story, like you are showing yourself, personal vlogs, all those kind of nothing concern you concern demonetization. Okay, so relax, you are safe. So my final thought is this update is not meant to scare the real creators out there. Rather, it's meant to protect you, because you even see maybe sometimes people can clip other people's video without what's it called, without proper approval, and they're using somebody's video. You're not telling them, you didn't tell them you can't clip somebody's video. That's why I posted one shot, somebody went and clipped my shot. I just have to make it private. In fact, I even go to my YouTube channel and change that setting of allowing people to use my content. You get? So if you are a creator out there and you know what you are doing is original, is authentic, please be careful out there. The way people clip your videos, be careful. So what is YouTube saying to you? YouTube is saying to you, be a human and not a machine. YouTube is saying, if you can show your face, if you can use your voice, if you can share your own unique stories, if you can teach what you know, you are exactly the kind of creator that they are looking for and they want to monetize. So if you're a creator out there who's creating authentic content, this year is for you. This year is for us to shine. Okay, this year is for us to get monetized. So make sure you like this video, share, comment, and subscribe. If you have any question, if you are confused, if you want me to look into your channel and see whether it's one of those that would fall victim or not, leave me that comment at the comment section. Okay, I love you guys and I care for you. All right, I have to come and make this video because one of my friend who is a TikToker, his TikTok is monetized, and he saw because I used to repurpose my YouTube videos on my TikTok and other of my social media platform. So he was encouraging me on my YouTube journey, and he was like, hope you have heard about the updates, because he too wants to start a faceless channel and it's all this AI based. So I had to go check, and actually there was an update. So I had to come and tell you guys. I had to come inform my own community about it and give you the channels that will or will not be demonetized. Okay, I hope you found this very helpful. Leave me a comment at the comment section and I'll be willing to respond to every one of you. All right, ciao.